When your company goes through changes, it's not just desks moving around. It's people, teams, and workflows that need to realign fast. But if you've ever managed a workplace change, you know it can get messy. Juggling timelines with architects, weighing layouts, HR worrying about employee satisfaction, and leadership wanting it done yesterday. That's where qbiq comes in. It helps workplace strategists and managers visualize new layouts instantly. It's all based on your real space, real design guidelines, and real needs. That means everyone can envision what the new office will look like. All set to your brand and design, from finishes to furniture, everyone is on board. Whether it's new team groupings, department expansions, downsizing, merging locations, or just optimizing collaboration zones, qbiq creates a data-backed test fit in hours, not weeks, complete with cost estimation. And with a branded 3D fly-through, there are no surprises. HR, key managers, and even third-party providers are all aligned in one view. Everyone sees the same space. No more guessing, no more misunderstandings. If you want a smarter approach to managing workplace strategy, start with qbiq.